Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we are making slow cooker pot roast. Pot roast is the ultimate comfort food. It's perfect for this cold weather. I'm gonna show you my tips and tricks for making the best pot roast ever. We're gonna start with our seasoning blend. So in there, we are gonna put seasoning salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and black pepper. So now that our seasoning is totally combined, we're gonna spread it all over our roast and we're gonna give it a sear in a nice hot pan. If you're really in a hurry, you can skip the searing part. It's not gonna affect the recipe too much, but it does keep the juices in the meat and gives it a ton of flavor. When you're searing the meat, you wanna make sure that you sear it until it releases easily from the pan. If you try to move the roast and it sticks a bit, that means it's not ready to be flipped yet. You wanna wait until it's nice and brown. So now that we have seared our roast and we have got it in the slow cooker, we are gonna cook down our onions in all of that flavor that the roast left behind. This is a great way to pick up those little bits and add that flavor to your gravy. So now that our onions are cooked down, we're gonna add the rest of our sauce ingredients. We have beef broth, balsamic vinegar, tomato paste, honey, a cornstarch slurry, and some Worcestershire sauce. Our sauce is all ready. We're gonna add it and our veggies into the slow cooker with our roast. I've got some little yellow potatoes. The big ones I've cut in half and the smaller ones I've left whole. And same thing with the carrots. You want them not too small and not too big because you want them to cook in about the same amount of time as your roast. You don't want them too hard and you don't want them mushy. So we're just gonna cram as many as we can around our roast and pour the sauce right over top. So now that our roast is fully cooked and ready to shred, we're just gonna open it up, we're gonna pull it out to a cutting board and work our magic. Now that our meat is all done, we're just gonna move it to the side. And now is a great time to add a little extra punch of flavor to our gravy. Sometimes with slow cooker recipes, the flavors start to dull a bit after cooking for so long, and I like to add a little zip right at the end. My secret ingredient is a little bit of ketchup, but some extra balsamic vinegar, a little honey, or even just a little bit of salt and pepper will go a long way to really brightening up the flavor. So if you're looking for an easy, comforting meal for these cold days, this one right here is it. So easy, so good, and the meat is fall apart tender. You're gonna love it.